What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another banger. I hope y'all tuned in to the last banger. I just scalped. If y'all don't know, for those of y'all who don't know, I scalped my waves. Y'all not finna see my head. Y'all not finna see my waves until we get to that 1 week results. If you ain't got me on Instagram or anything like that, you probably seen my bald head. That's probably the only thing you're gonna get. But make sure you watch a recent video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we coming with nothing but heat. In today's video, we'll be showing you guys and talking to you guys about what to do and what steps to do to start the process of a healthy scalp. You know, what to do after you scalp. You know, you scalp, you know, you can sleep without your do-rag for a couple of days. Let your head breathe. Like, let your head breathe. Of course, you didn't have the do-rag on for the past year, couple of months, however long you've been woofing. Just let your head breathe for a few days. That's what I've been doing. I've been using tea tree oil to like treat, you know, a few scabs I may have on my head, or maybe dry spots, things like that. Look it up. It's called tea tree oil. Literally, like it is. Tea like a drink, tree like a tree on a tree outside, oil. That's simple. It helps heal a lot of stuff like that. I'm not gonna get too deep into all that. Y'all can look all that up, but it does help heal skin blemish, all that kind of good stuff. So I did shampoo my head. I ain't got no hair, but it's still good to keep your head clean. Shampoo my hair, you know, condition my head. Like I said, it's still good to condition and keep your scalp healthy, because you have a whole bunch of new growth that's about to sprout out. There's nothing you could do. You can't brush, can't do any of that right now. What you can do is play with the brush and figure out what type of pattern you want to go for. So watch a YouTuber who's going for that pattern that you want to go for. See how they brush their waves, and you practice that before your waves come in. So when your waves start coming in, you won't be used to the old pattern and how you brush your waves. You'll be used to brushing your waves with the new pattern that you want to go with, because you've been practicing the whole entire time. Make sure you go get you re-up on everything. Like me, it was time. It's new year. It was time to re-up on everything. Plus I scalped, so I read up on everything that I need to start my wave journey off the right way. Going back to my roots is what you can do. I'm not gonna start off going natural and jumping onto these other stuff. You can, I don't know what that's gonna do for you, but me personally, I'm starting back with my sporting wave. This is what started it all right here. So I'm gonna be using this. If y'all can just focus it. I'm using that right there. That's what I'm gonna be using. It's not too thick, you know, cakey or anything like that in your head when you do put it in. I'm just gonna be using that to basically boost my waves and get back to where I wanna be. To lay my hair down and make some curls, you feel me? And also to help on top of that, another product I was using, which I don't have in my possession right now, but I feel like this stuff is exactly the same thing, which is Curl Enhancement Smoothie. I'm gonna be using the Curl and Style Milk right here by Shea Moisture. And go back to my root on my brushes, just because I don't want to use those brushes. Only brushes I'm going to be using are my brushes. As y'all can see right here, these are available on the site. That's that Ferrari red medium hard Rico's 360 surf brush. Ferrari red with the two-tone, three-tone, whatever you want to call it. Black, blonde, black. I mean, my bad. Blonde, black, and blonde bristles. Medium hard, Ferrari red. Then we got that Tidal Wave blue right here. Tidal Wave blue. Rico's 360 surf brush. Engraved in there. That's all I'm going to be using, is these two brushes right here. With those two products, the Sporting Wave, I'm gonna be using that just to basically force my hair to lay down. I need something to force my hair to lay down, and when I did use that, that's how I started off my journey. I'm gonna be using that. So you wanna make sure you re-up. Key things is make sure you re-up on your products. Make sure you copy some Rico's merch brushes so you can start your process off the right way. Only brushes I'm using to get my waves back are the Rico's merch brushes, so I can show y'all that these brushes is what they made of, you feel me? So after you get your products, you treat your hair as far as keeping your hair oiled daily. You still have a scalp, like you still have many hairs growing in, so you want to keep your hair oiled daily. Another thing is you want to make sure you're taking all your vitamins. You want to make sure you're taking all your vitamins to help your hair, to help your skin, help, you know, your health in life, especially with everything going on right now. You want to make sure you're on top of your vitamins, you know, stay healthy, stay masked up out here. So You know, right now, you know, you can't brush. You chilling, you oiling your scalp. You know, you finding your brush pattern, how you want to do everything, and you locked and loaded. You done found the person that you want to watch as far as content. I am coming back with a 360 beehive, just so y'all know. Straight up, just 360 beehive. That's what I'm coming back with. I made my final decision. I was gonna do 720s. I thought about 540s. I had a swirl in the back, pretty much 540 in the back. I don't want that anymore. I need to break the habit of brush and swirl in the back and brush straight down. So right now, I'm just gonna be, you feel me, out through this process, I'm just gonna be brushing my hair in the mirror. Even though there's no waves, I'm gonna be brushing my hair to break that swirl habit in the back. And instead of going like a swirl, instead of going like this, I'm just gonna start going down, straight down, just straight to the side, like that, all the way around. I gotta break that habit because I'm used to brushing in the swirl. So if you're changing your pattern, you gotta break that habit, because you'll go back to it and you'll be trying to brush a beehive, and then you'll wind up swirling it, and then it's gonna swirl too hard. So now it's like, dang, bro, I don't wanna, you feel me? You ain't gonna know what else to do because your wave's gonna swirl up too hard. Also, you know, re-up on your shampoo. Here's a shampoo. I'm throwing gems in right now. Here's a shampoo that I'm gonna be using. It's a great shampoo. This shampoo I'm using right there, y'all see the name, so go ahead and screenshot it. You can search up the ingredients and all that stuff later, but it definitely does not have no sulfurate. It's a real natural. Then I'm gonna be using this one right here for my leave-in conditioner, as I am. And then this is gonna be my regular conditioner right here. Right here. Well, you know, and no telling how this is just off of stuff that I've been using. No telling, I may switch. I may not even use those. They may not work in my head, I don't know. I got a DM the other day talking about what do I do after I scalp. Find the way you wanna brush your pattern, key. Find what products you need to use, another key. That's 2. Find your pattern and figure out how you're gonna brush it. 2, figure out what products is gonna work for you. Another thing you wanna do is keep your head oiled. You wanna keep your head moisturized. I don't care if you don't got no waves, keep your head moisturized. You still got a scalp. You don't wanna clog your pores though. You wanna make sure you still shampooing your hair. You got hair that needs to grow in, so you don't wanna clog your pores, you know, and the hair is not gonna be able to grow. So you wanna make sure you're shampooing and conditioning. You still have a head, your head still can collect dust, it still can get dirty. Just because you ain't got no waves don't mean that it's not dirty. And another thing for 4, you wanna just, you feel me, make sure you got everything you need. Make sure you got your Rico's merch brushes so you can get right. Got the medium, and I got the softy, and I got the palm brush. I don't have it right now in my possession, but it's around. And another 5th thing you wanna do is find your crown. Right now is the perfect moment for you to figure out how your crown grows. Does it grow this way, like this, or does it grow like this, that way? Right now is the perfect time for you to figure out how your crown go and figure out how you wanna do your new pattern all at once, man. Anything y'all wanna find, my social medias, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything will be linked down in the description below. Make sure y'all cop something from the merch. Y'all can get them brushes, link down in the description below at ricothewaver.com, ricothewaver.com. Check it out, it's my merch page. I run it, I create everything. You know, I ship everything out to y'all. You feel me? All off the muscle from me. I make my own oil, you know, I got my own brushes. I got my own do-rag silkies. I got my own silky on right now if y'all want one. This is the Nipsey Hussle blue also. Y'all can go cop up. I got plenty other colors, plenty other, another other brush. Everything is on the site. You can check everything out on the site. I got face masks, everything. But, you know, right now, I'm just wanna let y'all know those are the top 5 things that you need to do to get your hair from being from a scalp to help in the process of it growing in faster, and helping the process for it to grow in and be already healthy and silky because you're consistently still washing your scalp, conditioning your scalp, even though there's no waves there. Those are the main things, the main 5 things right there. You got your brushes, you found your pattern. Every last one of the things that I named off is what you want to make sure that you have everything done for. Hey man, it's your boy Rico. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Hey man, it's your boy Rico, I'm out, man. So to lay my hair down, create create, you know, my, how they